problem.
Will you help me? Splendid. One's up. Stay with me. Now, what letter makes the b sound? I want to go on an adventure, but my brothers say I can't go by myself because I'm too young. Will you spell jump with me? Splendid. One's up. Spell with me. Ready? What letter makes the sound j? What should I do if I'm too young to go on an adventure by myself? B. J.
When we have a question, we look
In a book. Now, what letter makes the sound Peas and carrots, carrots and peas. Book come out, please, please, please. What letter makes an sound?
Let's read the title of this book. Tom Thumb.
You!
We know what to do. We need to jump into this book.
Okay, what letter makes the sound? What letter makes the sound
And find the answer to Pig's question.
M! Write one L with me, like this. And another one like this.
First, we look for super letters. And then put them in our super duper computer.
What letter makes the sound
Super duper computer, how many super letters do we need?
P!
Oh, in this story, we need 6 super letters. And then we'll get our super story answer.